Black or brown spots on Monstera leaves occur when leaf tissue dies. Based on the color, texture, and location of the spots, we can determine what is wrong with your Monstera. First of all, take a look at quality of your water. Inadequate liquids can cause black spots on the leaves. It's like drinking poison for them. Salts in the water can clog the plant's water transporting system. It's important to make sure water is drinkable for the plants. If you suspect your water contains contaminants like chlorides and fluorides, try using filter water if you want to improve water quality. Melted snow water and rainwater can be used too. Sunburn on Monstera leaves. Monstera leaves can turn black if they become burnt. Black or brown spots from sunburn appear dry and occur on the upper surface of leaves nearest the light. Sunburn can occur due to direct sunlight from a window. Monsteras grow naturally in shade, so the heat from direct sun is too much for them. Move your plants further away from damaging light sources. Provide indirect sunlight only. Black spots due to dehydration. Plant stress is caused by a lack of water, which forces palisade cells to shut down. Because new leaves are closer to the stem, so they receive more water. Give your Monstera a drink if it is depressed and droopy, covered in black patches. Try soaking the bottom of the container in water and then letting the soil absorb it. Watering incorrectly. Root rot is one of the most common causes of black spots on Monstera leaves. If you suspect your Monstera is overwatered, remove the plant from its spot and clean off the roots. Prune the damaged leaves on the Monstera and plant in a new soil. You can check soil moisture using a moisture meter or inspect soil moisture by inserting fingers or a stick 2 to 3 inches deep in the soil. Water only if the soil feels dry. Hope you learned something today. Subscribe for more houseplants videos.